I'm W friends. So today I have another unboxing. It's quite simple, straightforward, and this bag came in from In Her Element, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. First impression on the packaging, I love it that the box is just sakto lang sa lipstick, so there's no wastage. And you see the product color right here in front, and the shade name is here. That's Mayari, Tala, and Hanan. And I love it that Bumi Beauty blogger talaga si Liz, who actually spearhead the In Her Element brand. It has a manufacturing and expiration date, which is super important for me. And let's talk about the packaging right now. This is how the product looks like. You see the shade, kind of frosted yung cap niya, but you can still see the shade inside. So these are the 3 shades. And the shade name is below. Same color as the lip color, and the shade name is there. So easy to read, hindi siya sobrang liit. So sakto lang. So now it does looks like a tinted lip balm. It's a twist up and down packaging. And wala siyang scent, which is okay for me. Okay din sa akin may scent, but without it's still okay. So now let's do some swatching. This is Mayari. And I love it that she explains everything about the shade here. So Mayari is a muted clay shade with light brown undertone that flatters all skin types. You all know I love anything with brown tints. So here's how Mayari looks like. Next is Tala. Tala is a pinkish plum that creates a blooming fresh look. So this is Tala. And then the third one is called Hanan. Hanan is a fun salmon pink shade that brightens the skin. So these are the 3 shades. Always I will swatch them on my lips. I just had tinted balm on. So ito na yung bare lips ko. Let's start with Mayari. Mayari is the brown shade that I really love. Ito yon. Next, I will try the middle shade called Tala. I'm trying hard not to sing the Sarah Geronimo song, but here it goes, applying on my lips right now. And lastly, this is the brightest shade called Hanan. So wearing it right now. Next, I will try the middle shade called Tala. I'm trying hard not to sing the Sarah Geronimo song, but here it goes, applying on my lips right now. And lastly, this is the brightest shade called Hanan. So wearing it right now. Overall, my first impression is that they are indeed super duper buttery and super easy to apply for someone with uber dry lips. And the shade choices, I love it. Itong last shade called Hanan, I'm not comfortable wearing it at first looking at the tube. But upon wearing it, super like yung shade niya actually. They are all wearable. The only thing is that since it's super buttery, just to let you know, it kind of melt thin. So when you apply, you really have to clean it up kung medyo OC ka. And maybe just make sure na hindi nyo iiwan sa mainit na kotse or anywhere, mainit. because it will melt. If you like medyo heavy-weighted na lipstick, hindi siya heavy because its packaging is plastic. So, yun lang naman yung mga basic thing that you may want to know. And the SRP is, the price is at 345 pesos each. If you want to buy all 3 set, it's 875 pesos. To be honest, get all 3 because all the shades, as you can see on swatch, looks different, has a little bit of different personality, yung iba-ibang shades. So, I like it and I like wearing this on a daily basis. It feels comfortable and super lightweight. No sticky or tacky feel at all. So, first impression, thumbs up. I really love it. Shade choices, good. Feel good. Just that the packaging medyo sobrang plasticky lang, but that's just it because I think that's the reason why it makes the product more affordable as well. So thank you for watching my unboxing and first impression, and yeah, thank you so much In Her Element for trusting me on this. Have a great day, guys. Bye!